Hey everybody, welcome back to Shaggy's Garage. On today's episode, we're going to be test fitting the T45 in the truck, see how well it fits, see if the cross member all lines up, see if I need to lengthen the drive shaft. Mainly, most important part is to see where the shifter lines up in regards to the bench seat. The center bench on this truck is a fixed seat, so you can't slide it forward and backwards, so it's really important that we make sure that the shifter is not too far back, otherwise we'll run into some clearance issues. So I got the next portion of me test fitting it all in, a little bit on a fast forward, so you guys aren't sitting around watching me go take forever to do it. Enjoy. Alrighty, so as you saw, the transmission fits pretty well. It bolted right up as expected. The dowel pin holes were a little gummed up with oxidization, which is why you saw me have to wiggle it back and forth there. But the cross member fit right in and bolted right up into place, which took me by surprise. I didn't think that was gonna fit, which I'm very thankful it did, because now it looks like we're gonna go through with the swap. We're gonna put the T45 in this truck and have a little fun with it. The drive shaft, since the transmission is just a little bit longer than the automatic was, means the drive shaft is actually a little bit too long. So therefore, we can either get it shrinked or cut down, or I could go find another one and get it all done. Either way, we're gonna need a new slip yoke for the output shaft of the transmission, because the T45 is different than the automatic that came out of this, so we can't just reuse it after getting it shortened. So past that, there was factory clutch pedal assemblies for these trucks, but they are super rare, super hard to find. They only came in V6 trucks. They never came in the V8 trucks. So what it looks like, I've looked up, there are Willwood universal clutch pedal assemblies with the master and external slaves as one big old kit, which I think I'm going to look into that and making a custom bracket to mount it on. Then from there, the external slave, I have a friend who has already done a swap, and he uses the Willwood external slave, which is actually the exact one that comes with this kit, so it's perfect. So yeah, stay tuned for more of the swap. Before it goes back in the truck, I'm going to do a quick rebuild on the T45, so stay tuned for more videos with that. And yeah, stay tuned. And remember, if you like what you're seeing, I got a lot of other builds on the go. But yeah, like and subscribe below. See you later.